So the fix for p000a, b, c, and d. So the A is your top left sensor in your engine, right there, and then B, C, and then D. It's going to be 2 10 mils right there and right there. To take this sensor off, unplug the connector. So the code p000a or the others is caused by a slow response with the sensor, aka that not responding fast enough. So the way you can clean it or replacing it, it kind of floats in there in oil, and that oil can get dirty and darken over time and just kind of not lubricate properly. So you just get a piece of paper towel and then you just kind of shake it, wipe it until the oil that comes out is clean. Replace that with clean oil by putting it in one of these little ports, and then the sensor will flow freely and your code will be gone.